Hey guys, there's a CN southbound coming on a Saturday night. There was a southbound earlier, we didn't see it. This is a different southbound.
We seen two Bam Bam yesterday, or the one day.
Night southbound, cool. It might stop. I think it's gonna park. Alright guys, here it comes.
Well, you know the drill. We got those gates gotta go down.
I would wait.
I don't want to wait too long.
Alright, go ahead.
Come on. I think it is the one we saw earlier. Oh, too fast, too fast.
Careful, someone might be
How many engines?
I'm stopping here.
Alright. Oh, he is stopping. How many engines?
I don't know yet.
I don't know. Please tell me it doesn't work. I don't know. I just saw one movie clip of it.
Yeah, how many engines?
I don't know yet. Are you filming it?
Is it backwards or forwards?
Are you filming it?
He's filming.
The guy with the gun.
Yeah, I'm filming.
I don't know his name. The guy.
8009.
Whoa. Oh, big train.
8802. 5542. 5547. 5541.
Holy shit!
Okay, watch your mouth.
How old?
How many engines
Wow.
is that?
5.
Oh,
Hey, yeah, you think that's the one from earlier?
Oh no, don't you dare stop.
Yeah, you think that's the one earlier?
Maybe.
It looked like the same one. It's hard to see the train. I mean, it'd be easier if you guys were with a camera.
I was trying, but you didn't want to give it to me.
Alright, keep filming the train. What was the first engine?
I don't remember. I read them all off. 8009.
8009?
Mm-hmm.
Might be
Mom! Mom? Mom?
What?
I think that train guys at the end will go there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, but I think it's all car haulers. Yeah, I think most of them have stripes. Yeah, is it seeing the train better?
Yeah, it sees the train.
What's he using? Oh, it's cute.
Yeah, how many engines do you have?
5.
So it's gonna be a long one, huh?
This is probably the one that was almost over at 16th Street at Amtrak. This is the train.
So did you back up?
You think it's all car haulers? What type of car was it in?
I think the other one at the other track is a double stack train.
Yeah.
Oh.
You think it's all car
I
haulers?
just heard about one. I think it was a Norfolk something that dumped a bunch of oil.
Coal.
Oh, coal.
And ruined the tracks. Yeah, it was on the news of your parents.
Or coal, whatever.
Yeah, it's all car haulers. You got,
Well,
is it all car haulers or no?
I think so.
Me too. Wow, it's all car haulers.
Yep.
Okay.
Gabe, he's giving you something.
You got? Can I have them? Alright. Oh, you did it right now. Yeah, it's all car haulers.
It's moving pretty good.
Any cars in it, or are they empty?
There's probably cars. It's hard to tell. I'm sure there's cars in there. A lot of Fords are built in Canada. Ours was.
A lot of what?
Fords.
Hey, guess what? I got one too. You see? Look it.
What? Oh, I can eat them? Not one mine.
Good idea. Check Speedway.
I think the one, oh yeah, I think so. No. Oh, here comes the end. Yeah, it's all car haulers. Here comes the end.
Can you see
so.
that?
Yeah, I can't tell.
No, I don't think so.
The last time we got stopped here, I could see the gauge go down through the train cars at the end of that.
Did it make him mad?
No, he didn't care. This is the holy grail for him. This is a southbound on Speedway train.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's what he wants to see the most. But
Yeah.
That would be.
he always calls it graffiti.
What?
He says graffiti.
Rafiki. Rafiki.
Now, no more things to be fixed.
Hey guys.
Leaves?
Hey again.
What?
No.
She says I'm gonna flood. It's flooding.
That would be a car holiday.
How did I get over there?
Oh my god.
It's impressive.
Oh. I can be quicker.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, I can be quicker. Is that Clemens noise? It's recording, right?
What's that noise?
It says it record.
What?
It better be recorded.
I'm not hitting the button for it to say stop.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Damn, come on the plane.
Watch your mouth.
I don't know if it is though, honestly.
Yeah, I don't know. You come to get what?
I didn't hit no buttons. He handed it to me filming. Wouldn't there be like a time?
I don't know.
Mom?
What?
Steal my spot.
I don't know, Gabe.
Alright, here.
Hold on. Let the gauge go up and then try.
Alright, that's all for
Place
now.
it.
Go ahead. You can stop doing it. Alright, Mom, camera please.
Hold on, Gabe. Please be recorded.